Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different products you can use to make your own custom builder gel. This right here is IBD's Hard Gel, and it is a clear gel, and this is what I use to make the colors. And then you are going to need this 7-gram double-walled jar. This is UV LED resistant. Everything I've used in this video I am going to link below so you can purchase it yourself if you want to. These jars do come in different sizes. I like the 7-gram jars because they're like the perfect size for physically testing out what worked and what didn't work. And in this video I am going to show you which ones didn't work, because there was one that just not work out. I do have another video up of doing a custom glitter gels video, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, I'm going to link that below to give you some ideas of different colors or just like options you can do. First product I'm going to be mixing with is these neon pigments, and honestly you can use any pigments. I actually ordered a whole bunch and I will link those as well. So I recently posted a video of an orange nail set that I did, and a lot of you guys was wondering how I made it. So these are the 2 colors that I did. I put both the orange and the yellow in a pot and I just mixed it together. Honestly, these are the 2 colors, pure, just the orange and just the yellow mixed with the clear builder gel, and I'm just showing you just so you could see what they look like. But here it is. I'm just mixing the orange and the yellow, and I did 1 scoop of orange versus 2 scoops of yellow, and you could easily add more yellow if you want or more orange to the pot. It just depends on what kind of color you was going for. So after mixing it, I do put the colors next to the original colors just to compare it to see how dark or light it got versus the colors. And this is what the color looks like. It does look a little more yellow on camera, but it is more of an orangey color. So the next one I'm going to use, I am going to be picking up some green pigments and some yellow pigments, and this is me again showing you what it looks like in its original state with builder gel. With this one again, I did more yellow than green because I did want a lighter green, and I was actually really pleased with how this color turns out. It's really bright and it just reminds me kind of like not lemonade, what is that, lime nails, like that bright green color is really pretty. Second product you can use is chrome powder, and I was actually really excited about this. This is my first time trying it, so I ended up adding a small amount of chrome, mixed it up, and I was actually super happy with how this came out. And I think I have about like 18 different chromes. I'm about to go back and mix all of my chromes with some builder gel just to see what they look like. And actually you could mix this like 2 colors together. Like, look at how pretty that looks. It's like really fine small glitter, so pretty. Third product you can use is some gel polish. This is actually my go-to system when I don't have a specific color that somebody wants. I grab gel polish that I think will make that specific color that they want and just mix it up right then and there. I also wanted to show you guys how you could make some pastel colors. So this is a really dark purple. So I am using like the smallest amount of purple, and then I triple it, quadruple it with some whites, and it will make you the exact color that you want. And like I said before, you could easily add more or less between the colors depending on what kind of color you are going for. This color actually turned out really pretty. It kind of looks white on camera, but it is definitely a pastel purple. Fourth product I am using is going to be this MAKARTT's Blooming Gel Polish. And these are actually like those ink polishes, and I ended up just picking out 3. And this is the one that did not work. Well, it kind of worked and then it didn't, but I'm going to show you. So I ended up pulling out, this is like a fuchsia. I ended up going with, what is this, like a blue and then a green color. So I ended up putting 3 drops each inside of the clear builder gel. And what I thought about using this for or making was like those jelly, you ever seen like those jelly nails? Well, I thought this would be a great idea, like to make that transparent color look. But then after mixing it, like the green ended up coming out like a good color. I liked how the green came out, but then the pink came, and then somehow it just turned right before my eyes clear. The pink disappeared. I don't know where it went. I don't know what happened. It was just gone. And then the blue actually came out good as well. I ended up swatching the green and the blue right off the bat, so you do see a lot of bubbles, but if you wait a little while before swatching it, the bubbles will disappear. But I was happy with how these 2 colors turned out. The 5th and last product is acrylic powder. Now with the acrylic powder, you do have to add a good amount, like a large amount, to mix it to the gel, because it isn't a pigment. It's not going to be a really intense color, so you do have to add a good amount. And with this, I suggest you don't store it. Like it's not a good product to store. It just ends up getting really gummy, and it doesn't turn out like a gel if you end up storing it. What I would suggest, if you do end up using acrylic with gel, you use it right then and there, and then just toss the rest in the garbage. Like, you would not be able to store this and have the consistency be the same. It ends up turning out really gummy and just not a builder gel. And this actually turns out really good. I really like how the color looked. So these are the 5 ways you can make your own custom builder gels. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.